Today, we're diving into tip number 6, practice discipline. If there's a single trait that separates successful traders from those who struggle endlessly, it's discipline. I've said it before in my experience on trading floors and in personal accounts, you can have the best strategy, the most advanced analytics, and a perfect market setup, but if you lack discipline, you're just gambling, not trading. Discipline in trading isn't just a buzzword, it's a mindset. It's about sticking to a well-structured trading plan, avoiding impulsive decisions, and not letting emotions dictate your actions. Fear and greed are the two biggest traps in the market. Fear can make you exit a trade too early, missing potential gains. Greed can push you to overleverage or ignore risk management rules. Discipline is what keeps you grounded amidst the emotional roller coaster of the markets. Let's talk about what a disciplined approach looks like. It starts with a robust trading plan. This plan is essentially your roadmap. It includes your trading goals, short-term, long-term, measurable objectives, your risk management rules, your analysis methods, and clear entry and exit criteria. It defines your position sizing and outlines a schedule for reviewing your performance. Think of it as a blueprint for rational trading. When you have this in place, every decision you make is backed by logic, not impulse. Now, let me give you a concrete example through a case study. Meet John, an aspiring trader. John started with a solid plan, he had a clear strategy, adhered to strict risk management, and maintained meticulous records of his trades. Initially, his disciplined approach paid off, he saw steady gains, built confidence, and learned the mechanics of the market firsthand. But then came the turning point. After a streak of successful trades, John's confidence morphed into overconfidence. He started to believe that his instincts could outperform his plan. One day, he heard about an upcoming earnings report from a popular tech company. Ignoring his risk management rules, he took a larger-than-usual position. The earnings report came out worse than expected, and John faced a substantial loss. Shaken by that loss, he tried to recover quickly. He abandoned his trading plan and started making impulsive trades based on rumors, online tips, and gut feelings. Inevitably, the results were catastrophic. He lost even more capital, his confidence plummeted, and he became emotionally drained. Here's the lesson: without discipline, even a trader with a solid plan can fall apart. But John didn't give up. After several months, he took a step back, analyzed his mistakes, and returned to the market with renewed focus. He recommitted to his trading plan, sought guidance from a mentor, and implemented strategies to manage emotions and maintain discipline. Slowly but surely, he recovered his losses and regained confidence. This story underscores a few critical points. Discipline minimizes emotional influence, enhances consistency, reduces risk, and builds confidence. It allows you to execute trades based on logic, not fear or greed. Warren Buffett once said, "The difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything." In trading, discipline is your no, saying no to impulsive trades, to overleveraging, and to decisions that deviate from your plan. Maintaining discipline requires practical strategies. Setting realistic expectations is key. Trading isn't about hitting home runs every day. Following a routine, reviewing the market, analyzing trades, monitoring your plan, reinforces disciplined behavior. Managing your emotions through stress relief techniques or simply taking a step back when overwhelmed is equally important. You can also leverage technology. Automated stop-loss and take-profit orders help enforce discipline even when emotions run high. Remember, discipline is reinforced through accountability. Sharing your plan and goals with a mentor or a trading community creates a support system that keeps you aligned with your strategy. Continuous learning is part of this too. Markets evolve, and disciplined traders adapt while staying grounded in their principles. Now a question for you to comment below. What's the one discipline you struggle with the most in trading? Is it sticking to your plan, managing emotions, or resisting the urge to chase profits? Share your thoughts. Sometimes discussing it openly is the first step toward improvement. To wrap up, tip number 6 emphasizes that disciplined trading is about more than just following rules. It's a mindset that prioritizes long-term success over short-term gratification. The markets will test you constantly. Without discipline, even a brilliant strategy can crumble under pressure. With discipline, you gain control, consistency, and the confidence to navigate volatility successfully. Remember John's story: the path to trading success is not about avoiding losses entirely, but about approaching the market with structure, patience, and unwavering discipline. So, keep your plan in focus, manage your emotions, leverage technology to stay on course, and build a system that supports disciplined decisions. Discipline isn't glamorous, but it's the foundation of sustained trading success.
Thank you for listening to the 101 Trading Tips in the Ultimate Trading Podcast, brought to you by bellsforex.com AudioWorks. We hope this episode gave you insights, perspective, and practical ideas to strengthen your trading mindset and improve your decision-making. Stay disciplined, keep learning, and remember, every trade is a step toward building your edge. If you found value in today's episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Sharing the podcast with fellow traders helps us grow and bring even more free trading education to the community. Visit us anytime at bellsforex.com for resources, guides, and tools to support your trading journey. Until next time, trade smart, stay disciplined, and keep building your edge. Happy trading.